Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? So I want to show you a really quick video on how you guys can get this free, yes, free little organizational little tray that I have here put together for you. Now this is a really good way to keep yourself a little organized. I have not all, but some of my little Easter scrapbooking goodies in here, and it kind of helps to keep everything neatly organized, and it looks really cute. It's really like super nicely kept, very clean, very you know, visual to the eye, and I think it works. And the best part about this whole little section that we are doing right now is that it's going to cost you nothing. It's going to cost you free. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. So what I have here is, I'm going to put this one on the side so I can show you one that's empty. So what you're going to do is, in order for you to obtain this little free tray, you're going to go to the Dollar Tree or any really dollar store, I'm assuming, that has this, right? I really just technically go to the Dollar Tree. I don't really go to any other dollar stores, but I'm pretty sure like Walmart or like any other Dollar Tree, even like Target's, in their Easter section, they have a whole bunch of different Easter candies, and you will probably come across something like this. Now what this is a little holder where they had Easter eggs, candies. I got this at the Dollar Tree by the Easter section where they have all their Easter candies displayed. This is basically just it's just a display where they keep all these Easter egg candies, and it keeps them neatly organized. It's just a little green tray, and the eggs go in here, and then they just display it in the shelf, and then you pick your candies. And then what they do is, at the end of the day, or at the end of the week, or at the end of the month, they get all these empty containers and they throw them out. So when I was in the dollar store, I found a few of these empty trays, and I kind of like thought to myself, wait a second, this would be perfect to hold all my little Easter goodies, and it's gonna basically not cost me anything. It's basically free, and it kind of works with the theme because this is an Easter egg holder, Easter egg goodies. It works. So what you could do is, when you're in a dollar store or any place that they sell candies, keep an eye for these little trays that they have out now. And if you want to ask, the register or someone who works there if it's okay for you to grab a few of these, I mean, 100% of the time they're gonna say yes, because what they do is they throw this out. They don't really use this, especially if it's empty. So what I did was, I got home, I got my little tray. I have some stuff in here that I want to show you how I actually organized my little tray and put it together. It's very simple. I mean, this is not something that, it's not hard to do. It's very simple to do, but I want to just show you and give you an idea so that you can, kind of like understand why it's such an awesome thing to have, and it's very helpful. So here I have a few things that I want to put in my little tray. Now, word of advice, the tray is not that sturdy, obviously. This is plastic, and it's not that sturdy. If you want to keep yourself a little bit if you want to keep it like a little sturdy, so where that this doesn't fall off, my advice is you can probably either hot glue the bottom to the tray, so this way it doesn't move around too much, if you want. Another suggestion is, if you want to decorate your little tray, you can also do that. Mine says candy on it because obviously it was a candy tray. I actually don't mind that it has this here. I'll probably maybe put like, I don't know, some Easter ribbon or something eventually. But at the moment, I don't mind that it has that candy right up there on it. If it bothers you, either paint it or put some washi tape on it, some ribbon, some lace, whatever you want to do with it. So I'm going to show you very easily how I kind of fill this little tray up using all my little goodie stuff. So here I have some stuff that I put on the side so I can show you. I have some pom-poms here. So I definitely love pom-poms. You guys know how much I am obsessed with my pom-poms. So I am absolutely gonna put some pom-poms in here. Now you can't put too many things in here, but you could put enough that can keep you, you know, busy for a few projects. I have these adorable little stickers that I got at Hobby Lobby. They're bunny stickers. I showed you guys this on my haul video. I want to put these little bunny stickers in here because they're just so adorable. And I'm definitely going to use them for my crafting projects. So yes, I'm putting my bunnies in here. Okay, so there goes my little bunny stickers right there. You got my, here, maybe I'll skip my bunny stickers. You got my pom-poms here. What else do we want to put in here? Well, okay, I have some of these puffy little embellishments that I got at Target last year. I'll put those in here. Maybe I'll put those actually here in the center. And I'm going to put a few of these. I could play around with these puffy bunnies for a Easter project. Actually, I probably can put them all in there. Let's see, can I put them all in here? Yeah, I could. So I added all my little puffy bunnies. See? They're so cute, right? And they're a little puffy. Right in there. Okay, perfect. What else are we going to add in our little container? I have these little Easter eggs that I bought recently. I also did a whole video on these. I'm going to add these little Easter eggs in here. Okay. Right in here. And I'm going to open 2 of the 3 little bags that I bought. Now, I have an idea for you. FYI. Don't throw these away because we could make a little junk journal out of these, okay? Especially these that have the little chickies right there. You see that? How cute, right? Would that be to make like a little tiny junk journal Easter book? Yes? So don't throw these away. These are really good to keep. Okay, so there you go. I have my little Easter eggs in here. I'm going to also use my little Easter figurines that I also did a whole video on. I'm going to add them right next to my little Easter egg right here. And I'm going to open 2 of the 3 little bags that I have. Right there, see? Another one here. These are just so adorable, these little tiny figurines. I love them. They're absolutely my favorite. Okay. So there you have it. See that? Right there? Okay, perfect. So we're going to continue adding more stuff to this wonderful little tray. So I have here, what I have here are just some of these clothespins. I got some clothespins in here that I bought recently at Hobby Lobby. But I got these that I got upstairs. I only brought 3 down just to give you like an idea. I am going to be bringing more obviously down, but just to give you an idea, we can always add these in here, okay? I also have some of these magnificent cupcake liners that I like to use for my Easter projects. I'm going to add these in here as well. That looks really pretty there. I have these little Christmas trees. I love these little Christmas trees. I kind of like to like paint them Easter color inspired, like maybe like a pink or purple, maybe like a blue or yellow, and you can actually add little Easter eggs to these little tiny trees. They're normally used for Christmas, but obviously, you know, you can kind of alter them however you want, to be honest with you. I'm going to put those right here. Right where I put my clothespins, okay? Or my, yeah, I guess clothespins. Perfect. I have this yellow, I found this at the thrift shop. I love this yarn. I think it's like a yellow thread, but it's very, very thick. And it's perfect for like Easter projects. So I'm gonna actually put this in here because I am going to use this just like that. Then we have 4 more of these to fill in, right? So I have these Easter picks that I also showed you guys in my last haul video. I told you guys we're going to use these little cute picks as some kind of embellishment. I'm gonna add these beauties in here. I'm only gonna add maybe like this bundle because I don't need so many of them. And then I also am going to, actually, you know what we're gonna do with these? I just thought about it. I think I'm gonna cut out the toothpicks on these. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to use my I have these pliers in here. I'm just gonna cut out the toothpick on these. I don't want to use, like, I have a whole bunch of these and I'm not gonna use this you know, toothpick. I'm going to use these as embellishments anyway, so I'm gonna cut these out and I'm gonna just put these adorable little bunnies in here. And then I can always use the other half that I have here as cupcake toppers if I want, or on another project that I need to use the toothpicks for. Okay, but for this particular little bundle, I don't need these toothpicks, so I'm just gonna cut them off. All right, perfect. See that? These are super cute, these little bunnies. I love them. And these wire cutters gives you like a nice cut, clean cut. So it's always good to use. See how cute these look? These will be perfect for embellishments. So I'm gonna add those in here, okay? And I'm gonna do the same thing with my honeycomb picks that I have here. We're gonna do 4. Oops. We're gonna do 4 of these. I love these honeycomb picks. They're just like my favorite embellishments ever to use. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna cut off the little pick because I don't need it. I'm going to use these for different kinds of projects, so I don't need to keep these toothpicks on them. Okay, perfect. See that? There you go. Now these I can throw out. I don't need them. And then the last thing I'm going to put in here is going to be some bows that I have that I love to use for my Easter projects. So let me show you the bows that I have here. I have these whole bunch of bows that I love to use. I'm going to put a few in here, okay, just because I know I'm going to use them. And I'm going to put a few in here, different bows, obviously, because I definitely am going to use them for sure. There we go. That should be enough. I can always go back and get more. And that's basically how I sort of filled out my little tray. So I think it's an awesome idea to use these for these kind of projects. Again, they're free. They don't cost you anything. You can find them really anywhere where they sell Easter candies. If you feel weird about grabbing one of these, just ask, you know, the salesperson or whoever is working on the floor. They're always going to say yes, because this is not really something that they keep to resell. They just throw this out or they recycle it. So why not use it for some awesome ideas like storing your little goodies for Easter. Okay, honeys, I hope this is a very helpful video for you. I thought that it was a good idea to show you because, again, it's a very easy thing to find. It's absolutely free, and you don't have to work too hard on, organizing your little things. You can see them, you can grab them, you can work with whatever project you're working with, and you can see what you have, which is very important. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys grab some good ideas from this video. If you guys are going to do this little project, make sure you send me a picture on Instagram, tag me so I can see your project and I can see how your little tray turns out. And I hope that you guys enjoy this video. All right, honeys, I will see you guys in my next video. Have a fantastic weekend. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you guys think about this very easy, free, awesome idea for your scrapbooking goodies. Okay, loves? Have a fantastic weekend. Bye.